So today in this video we'll show you how you can promote your CPA offers using Facebook ad. So we'll show you everything step by step. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before we start, let me just open my Toro CPA network account where will we choose a product that today we are going to promote using Facebook ads. Let me just log in into my Toro CPA network account. So I've logged into my Toro account the same way you have to also log into your CPA network. And once you log in, the next step is that we have to choose a offer. So to choose a offer, you simply have to click on this offers tab on the top here. You have to click on this, and from the drop down you have to click on browse offers, and now you can see a lot of CPA offers have appeared. So before we even consider any offer for the promotion, one thing I want to tell you that you always have to make sure that if you are using Facebook ads to promote your CPA offer, you have to make sure that you always promote real genuine e-com offers only, because we don't want to promote like BizOp offers, make money online offers, sweepstake offer, or the offer saying make $500 per day, $1,000 per day, $20,000 in a month, or win an Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card. We don't want to promote these type of scammy offers. You only have to promote real genuine e-com offer which will help the end user, because if you promote these scammy type of offer, then eventually Facebook is going to delete your ad account or disable your ad account. So we don't want that. You have to make sure that only promote a real offer. So let's say that we want to promote some software. So in the category in the left hand side, let's choose software, and now you can see a bunch of CPA offers have appeared from the software category, and you can see this offer, all countries allowed. It's a Canva Pro offer. It's a sale offer. So we all know about Canva, that it's a website and a software that we can use to edit our images, create thumbnail, create Instagram stories. So it's a real offer. So let's say that we want to promote this offer. So let's open it. So the CPA offer has been opened. The same way you have to also choose the offer that you consider for promotion using Facebook ad. You can see the name of the offer, all countries allowed, Canva Pro, and its category is mobile, desktop, email marketing, and payout is cost per sale. And if we scroll down, you can see the targeted traffic is desktop and mobile, means we can send traffic from both desktop and mobile. And the conversion flow is the pixel fires when a user makes a subscription, means when a user will purchase a subscription, then only we are going to get the payout. And if the user purchases a monthly plan, then we are going to make 48% of the sale. And if the user purchases yearly plan, then we are going to make 12% of the sale. So you can read them here, and the allowed traffic type, you can read that PPV and SEO, display native, and here you can see that paid social is allowed, means we can use Facebook ad to promote this offer. So whatever traffic source you are going to use to promote your offer, make sure it is allowed over here. And you can see like what traffic sources are not allowed. SEM or SMS, iframe, incentive traffics are not allowed. And once you have read all of this stuff and have chosen your offer, the next step is that we have to generate a affiliate link of this offer. So to do that, you have to click on this show tracking link button over here, and here comes our affiliate link. You have to simply copy this affiliate link and you can paste it over a notepad. And now we have to create a landing page of this offer, because as you all know that without landing page, without website, we can't promote any of the CPA or even affiliate offers using Facebook ad. We have to use a landing page. Without that, we can't even think of promoting our offers using Facebook ad. So now let me show you the landing page that I have created for this offer. So now you can see this is the landing page that I have created for our CPA offer, Canva Pro. This is a very simple type of landing page. Here is the headline that says design anything with Canva. Here is a sub headline, and I have written some 1 or 2 benefits, and here is a call to action button. So it's a very basic type of landing page. If you want to know that how to create good landing pages, then I have already made a video on this topic. If you haven't watched that video, I will give the link in description, and in the I button you can click there and watch that video. So you have to make sure that you always create a landing page before you start promoting your offer on Facebook ad. So once you have created your landing page, the next step is that let me just open my Facebook Ads Manager account. So I've logged into my Facebook Ads Manager the same way you have to also log in, and once you log in, the next step is that we have to start creating the campaign on Facebook. So to do that, you have to simply click on this green color create button over here, and now it will say that choose a campaign objective. Basically it means that you have to choose an objective, like what you want Facebook to do for you. So if you want more brand awareness, you want more people to know about your brand, you can choose brand awareness objective. You want more reach, you can choose reach objective. If you want to send traffic to your website, blog or landing page, you can choose traffic objective. If you want more likes, shares or comments on your post, you can choose engagement objective. If you want more app install, then choose app install objective. If you want more video views, then choose this one. If you want to capture name, email address, phone number or information of the user like the way we capture on the opt-in landing page, then you can choose lead generation objective over here. And if you want messages, more people to send you message, you can choose this one. And here it says that if you want more conversions, sales, then choose conversion objective. I will explain this one in detail later. And if you want more catalog sales, you have a e-com store, you want to upload your catalog, you can choose catalog sales. If you have a local store, you want more store visit, then choose store traffic. So a lot of people will think that Facebook has given us the option that if you want more sales and conversion, then why not choose the conversion objective? Because if we choose this objective, then Facebook will show our ad only to people who will see our ad, they will click on our ad, they will go on the landing page and buy the product, and we will get the commission. Everything will be good. But I want to tell you that things are not really that easy, because Facebook knows which person will buy a t-shirt, which person will buy a computer, which person will buy a TV. But Facebook doesn't know that which person you need. You need a person who buys TV, or you need a person who buys like skating board or something like that, or a t-shirt. So you have to tell Facebook like which person you need, which is your target audience. So you need to give Facebook at least data of 30 to 40 sales, so that Facebook can know like which is your target audience and which audience should they target that will convert on your offer. So to do that, you have to make sure that you have at least 40 to 50 conversions of data in your pixel before you even consider conversions objective. So as we are promoting a fresh offer, we don't have any previous data, so we are going to choose traffic objective only. And if you are an affiliate marketer, you are promoting many offers and then in starting I will suggest you to always go with the traffic objective, don't go with the conversion objective. And once you have chosen your objective, the next step is that you have to click on this continue button over here, and now we have to give a name to our campaign. So let's give name Canva Pro. You have to give the name, and then we have to scroll down and we have to click on the next button over here. And now it says that choose where you want to drive traffic. Obviously we want to send traffic on our website, you have to choose that. Then you have to scroll down and you have to choose a daily budget for your campaign. So let's just give the daily budget of 1500 INR. You can convert that in USD also. And if you want to schedule your ad, you can schedule them, but in starting we don't want to schedule our ad, because we want to run them whole day, so that we can know that which time is giving us the most amount of conversion. And then you have to scroll down, and now comes the best part, that you have to choose the location for your offer, like in which country, in which location you want to target the audience. So let's say that we want to target people of United States. So let's here choose United States, because we want to run our ad on US only. You have to choose that. And then you have to choose age 18 to 65, and in the age we will select age of 18 to 35. Let's choose age of 18 to 35, because people mostly from 18 to 35 will be using Canva, because they want to create their thumbnails or Instagram stories or Instagram posts, or edit their images. So this is the perfect audience range that we can target in the starting. Later on we will like see which age is giving us the most amount of conversion, and on the basis of that we will optimize the age. And then you can choose the gender, but we won't make any changes over here. And then you have to choose detailed targeting, and you have to click on edit. And in the detailed targeting you can like create levels, like 4 to 5 levels, and you can like narrow down your target audience, like which person you want to really target. So let's say in the starting we want to target people who have interest in Adobe Photoshop. We want to target those people, because people having interest in Adobe Photoshop, they might be interested in Canva, because Photoshop is also a editing software and Canva is also editing software, so they can be interested in this. And then we can click on narrow audience, and we can say that people who are interested in YouTube, we can also target them, and if they also have interest in Instagram, we can also target them, because if they are having interest in YouTube and Instagram, then they might need Canva to create their images, edit their thumbnails. So on like this, you have to create detailed targeting on Facebook, and then you have to scroll down and you have to choose in a placement like the manual one. By default automatic is selected, but make sure you choose the manual one, and you have to unselect the ad audience network and messenger and Instagram also. And in the Facebook only you have to choose Facebook news feed. You have to unselect everything else like the in-stream also, stories, reels, search, messages. You have to make sure you unselect everything else in articles also, and then you have to scroll down and then you have to click on the next button. And now you have to create a creative of your campaign, means you have to create the ad for your campaign. So you have to come here, and in the format you can choose, like if you want to upload a single image video, you can choose that also. If you want to upload a carousel, you can do that also. So let's choose single image and video. So before we upload an image, we have to create one, and we have to make sure that the image is really attractive, because we are promoting a photo editing software, so the image should be really attractive. So let's say that we write here creative girls images, and let's remove PNG and let's search it, and you can see that there are many images over here. So let's choose one image for the purpose of this video. So let's say for example that we choose this image, and once you have saved the image, the next step is that you have to hover back to your Facebook Ads Manager. You have to scroll down, you have to click on add media, and from the drop down you have to choose add image. And now you can see our image has been successfully added. And then we have to add a website URL to our ad, and in the website URL you have to simply copy the landing page URL. The landing page you have to you have created, you have to copy that URL. You have to simply paste it over here. And once you do that, and now we have to add headline and primary text and description to our ad. So in the primary text we can write design anything with Canva. So let's write that, and in the description we can write start now, a very basic description. If you want, you can add more stuff here, and then you have to scroll down, and then you will see a call to action, and you have to click here, and from the drop down you can choose any of the call to action button that you want. You can choose that, and like if you want to choose subscribe, you can choose that also. And you can see our ad now shows subscribe button over here. So you have to do like that, and then you have to click on the publish button. So now our ad will go in review, and once it is approved by Facebook, it will start to run. So I hope you like this video. If it did, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.